So yes, today we are talking about a Hindi romantic crime thriller series, Ye Kali Kali Aankhein, which came on Netflix on January 2022. I watched it a few days ago and enjoyed it a lot. The plot, script, actions and twists literally gave me the jump scares. I binge watched all episodes and realized it's a great gift for the fans of true crime genre. Ye Kali Kali Aankhein is directed by Siddharth Sengupta and starring Tahir Raj as Vikrant Singh Chauhan, Anshul Singh as Purva Avasthi, Shweta Tripathi as Shikha, and Saurabh Shakla as Akhira Avasthi. Anshul Singh is a female antagonist, Purva Avasthi. The story revolves around a small town boy Vikrant who has some dreams and a cute girlfriend Shikha, but his dreams turned upside down by Purva Avasthi, who was obsessed with him since childhood when he denied her friendship. After all these years, when he has a strained relationship with his family on financial grounds, he was forced by his father to work for the influential politician Akira Avasthi, who was the father of Purva. So he went to Akira's house and encountered Purva there and realized she is still obsessed with him. Vikrant witnesses the gruesome murder of a police officer by Akira Avasthi himself. He was terrified and denied any relation with Shikha to Purva because of the fear that they will kill her too, because they do what they want. Purva asked her father to give Vikrant an accountant job at her Zumba dance class. Vikrant the next day rejected the job, but Purva made his life miserable by creating mess in his personal life, shutting down their basic household activities. Now he is forced to join her. He became devastated when he got the news of Shikha killed by Purva's brother Dharmesh and his men. Vikrant desperately went to media and told them anonymously all about the witnessing of that police officer murder, whose disappearance case was so hot during that days. Media went after Akiraj Avasti, but then Akiraj and Dharmesh and all their men knew it was Vikrant who reported because he was the witness of the murder. So instead of avenging him, Akiraj tied his daughter's knot with him, benefiting himself both politically because Vikrant was of same caste as the murdered police officer and personally because Purva now has claim over Vikrant's life forever. Vikrant out of revenge agreed to marry her. But alas, at his wedding night, his friend revealed that Shikha is still alive and Dharmesh's man killed the wrong girl. Vikrant went to meet Shikha and told her about his marriage with Purva. Shikha is now very upset and asked to get free from all this drama. Purva trying to build her relationship with Vikrant on good grounds, but he is avoiding her. He contacted a killer through dark web to kill Purva, for which the killer demanded 70 lakhs. Vikrant now asks his father to do him one favor if he loves his son enough. So Vikrant's father stole 70 lakhs from Akira Awasthi's property and gave it to him. But Vikrant's parents never knew what he's gonna do with all this money. Vikrant requested Purva to let Shikha live in peace and made up all the story that her name is Dolly and she is marrying someone else. For this purpose, Vikrant asked Shikha to create a fake marriage and invitation card. So Shikha did as Vikrant asked her, but instead of faking, she was so disappointed with all this and she decided to get married really. The killer decided to shoot Purva from a running car, but at the very moment, the girl from the couple traveling with them exchanged seats with Purva, and now she's the target of the shooter. The shooter shot, but they are safe now somehow, and Purva once again is the nightmare of Vikrant's life. After negotiating with the killer, Vikrant agreed to kill Purva in a blast at hotel at the occasion of a dance event, no matter how many lives will be wasted. Vikrant is now just desperate to get rid of Purva. Purva, just before her show, got to know that Vikrant's father stole 70 lakhs from them. So she talked to Vikrant on call and said to talk about it later. She went to her show, and when the bomb is about to blast, Vikrant's younger sister called him that she is also at her Bhabhi's show. Vikrant's world is upside down now. She asked her to immediately move out, but then he heard a blast. The whole world stops in front of him that what he has done. But after a few moments, he got a call from his sister about her safety and that Purva was the one who was inside the scene. So now she is presumed dead. He got a sigh of relief. He immediately called Shikha and told her to call off her marriage because he's coming to get her the dream life he always promised. Now Purva's father called Vikrant to come at his place. Vikrant practiced so many times to fake his cries in case of Purva's death, so now is the time and he's getting himself ready. Purva's father, after a long pause to create a suspense, told him that Purva is kidnapped. So now Vikrant is the one who got fooled. What? Purva's not dead. She's kidnapped. What the hell is supposed to mean? And now they are getting a ransom call which Vikrant has to attend. So Vikrant got to know that it was his hired killer actually who kidnapped Purva before the blast because he knew that Purva was the daughter of a wealthiest man. So now he's demanding 99 crores for her murder or else Vikrant will be revealed in front of everyone else. So here is the season 1 ends on a very exciting note with Vikrant being again in this loop. And Shikha, after Vic's call, saw Dharmesh and his men also came to her wedding to murder her or God knows what to do with her. And now she is scared to death. So these 3 points with Purva being alive, Vikrant trapped, and Shikha may be murdered any time now. This series has got us a major cliffhanger at the end of season 1. So I am really excited and looking forward that what will be happening the next. So what do you think will happen next in the upcoming season? Tell us now. Stay tuned with the Hot Planet.